Okay, so welcome back. Now let's talk about finding the arc length of a sector. So we're going to start with using degrees and then using radians. Okay, so with using degrees, all you do is you substitute the known values that you have into this formula or this formula, but they're pretty much the same. Remember, this is the circumference of a circle formula, either using the radius or the circumference of the circle using using diameter. Okay, so either formula is fine. So now what are you doing here? Well, to find the arc length of a sector of a circle, you're taking the fraction of the circle, right, by angle, right? So here's the measurement of the central angle, here's the angle of an entire circle. So you're taking the fraction of the circle and multiplying it by the circumference. So then you're taking a fraction of the circumference then. So the arc length is measured by taking the sector or the fraction of the circumference that is occupied by that sector. Okay? So again, where theta represents the measure of the central angle in degrees, and r is the radius of the circle. And then all you do is then evaluate the formula. That's it. Okay? Now, if you're using radians, then what you do is you substitute the given radian measure of the central angle and the radius into this formula, S equals theta times r, where theta is the measure of the central angle in radians, and r is the radius, and then all you do is simplify the expression. Okay? So either way, if you want it using degrees, you have to do this. Using radians, you have to do this. So let's do some examples.